ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, has just unveiled UiTars, an advanced AI system that has the potential to revolutionize how humans interact with computers. Unlike traditional AI models that generate text-based responses, UiTars is designed to autonomously navigate computer systems, executing actions much like a human user. This breakthrough could change the way we use software, automate workflows, and even redefine human-computer interaction. But with great power comes great responsibility, and UiTars raises serious questions about security, privacy, and control over digital environments. UiTars stands out from its competition because of its ability to understand and interact with graphical user interfaces, GUIs. Most AI models like OpenAI's GPT-4o focus on processing and generating text. However, UiTars goes a step further by visually interpreting computer screens and executing commands across different applications, including web browsers, desktop software, and mobile apps. It is essentially an AI agent that can mimic human behavior within digital spaces, making it an incredibly powerful tool for automation and task management. This AI model was trained on a massive dataset of 50 billion tokens and is available in two versions: a 7 billion parameter model for lightweight tasks and a 72 billion parameter model for more complex operations. These numbers highlight the sheer scale of its computational power, allowing UiTars to make real-time decisions while navigating digital environments. The use of multimodal training, which combines text, image recognition, and interactive feedback, gives UiTars a human-like ability to process and respond to digital interfaces dynamically. What makes UiTars even more fascinating is how it outperforms some of the biggest names in AI today. In various GUI benchmarking tests, UiTars has consistently ranked above OpenAI's GPT-4o, Google's Gemini, and Anthropic's Claude 3.5. One of the most notable examples is the Visual Web Bench benchmark, which measures how well an AI model can interpret and interact with website elements. UiTars achieved an impressive 82.8% accuracy, surpassing GPT-4o's 78.5% and Claude 3.5's 78.2%. These scores underscore its advanced capability to comprehend digital environments in a way no other AI model has before. Unlike previous AI automation tools, UiTars doesn't just follow pre-programmed rules, it actively learns and adapts. This means it can handle dynamic tasks that involve multiple steps and changing variables. Imagine asking an AI to book flights, make online purchases, schedule meetings, or even manage financial transactions. UiTars could execute these requests in the same way a human would, navigating websites, filling out forms, and confirming actions. The ability to explain its decision-making process is another key strength of UiTars. Transparency is crucial when dealing with autonomous AI systems, and UiTars ensures users can see exactly why it is making certain decisions. For example, if asked to book a round-trip flight from New York to Los Angeles, UiTars will walk through its reasoning, opening airline websites, comparing ticket prices, applying filters, and finalizing the purchase. This feature builds trust and provides insight into how the AI thinks, making it easier for users to monitor and guide its actions. ByteDance collaborated with Tsinghua University, one of China's leading research institutions, to develop this groundbreaking AI system. The researchers emphasized that UiTars continuously improves through iterative learning. This means the model learns from its mistakes and fine-tunes its behavior over time. Unlike traditional automation scripts that break when faced with an unfamiliar scenario, UiTars can adapt and troubleshoot when it encounters unexpected obstacles. While the potential for productivity gains is enormous, UiTars also raises major security concerns. The idea of an AI system that can autonomously navigate and control computers has triggered fears about malware, unauthorized access, and cyber threats. If exploited, malicious actors could use similar AI models to infiltrate systems, steal data, or perform unauthorized transactions. Experts warn that strong safeguards must be in place to prevent misuse. Another major concern is privacy and user control. Unlike text-based AI assistants like ChatGPT, UiTars has access to files, browsing history, and potentially even passwords stored on a user's computer. Without strict limitations, this level of access could lead to unintended data leaks. Governments and tech regulators are already scrutinizing ByteDance over concerns that Chinese AI companies may be collecting user data for surveillance purposes. ByteDance has emphasized that UiTars is built with strict security protocols, but many experts remain skeptical. Given the ongoing tensions between China and the United States over technology and data privacy, The development of a highly autonomous AI agent by a Chinese company has raised red flags among Western governments. There is also the issue of job displacement. As AI models like UiTARs become more advanced, many routine digital tasks currently performed by humans could be automated. This could impact customer service jobs, administrative roles, and even software testing positions. The rise of autonomous AI agents could reshape the workforce, forcing companies and employees to adapt to a new era of automation. Despite these concerns, UiTARs represents a massive technological breakthrough that could transform industries ranging from finance to customer support and content creation. Its ability to understand and manipulate digital environments positions it as a pioneer in the next phase of AI development. If managed responsibly, this technology could redefine productivity, making workflows more efficient and reducing the need for manual digital interactions. So what does the future hold for autonomous AI systems like UiTARs? Will they become essential tools for businesses, or do they pose too great a risk in terms of security and job displacement? These are the questions that governments, companies, and users will need to answer in the coming years. What do you think? Would you trust an AI like UiTARs to navigate your computer and complete tasks on your behalf? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this information valuable, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe for more in-depth AI and cybersecurity updates. Stay ahead of the latest tech developments, and we'll see you in the next video.